What's happening, Hardscapers? I'm just cleaning out my truck and my locker for the year, and I want to get into the different things that I have available to me on my job site each and every time I'm on a job site. So let's get into this. All right, so this is a quick list of equipment, tools, everything from small little things to larger things that I have available to me on my job site each and every day. Now, I also have a little bit of miscellaneous things like a forward plate compactor and miscellaneous tools that I use rarely in my locker that if I need, I can go get. But most of these tools that I have on this list are available to me on each and every job site each and every day. Let's get into this list. All right, PPE, we've got a first aid kit, we've got dust masks, caution tape, safety glasses, hard hat, gloves, all of this in the truck when necessary, and a fire extinguisher. Tape measure, equipment checks, health and safety checks, eye wash, safety vests and uniforms, steel toe boots, levels. We've got a couple 2s, a torpedo, and we also got a 4 and an 8. Post level, marking pencils, string line and line level, pins and collars, chalk and chalk line, rubber mallets, 5-pound hammer, tin snips, scissors, chisels, knives, wire cutters, square, collapsible square, a neglected trowel, caulking guns for glue, 2-cycle oil, white inverted marking paint, WD-40, fuel cans, wheel chocks, hose with a nozzle. Hey, if you find this list helpful, please like this video, subscribe, leave a comment about a tool that I left out on this list. I'd love to know what you have available to you on your job site that I don't have available to me on my job site. Write a comment below, or even tools that you rent, pieces of equipment that you rent. Put them in the comment section below so that I know. Shovels pointed in square, screed bars, pressure washers, push broom, rake, hand tamper, a fan for those hot days, a variety of power tools, an angle grinder, demo saw, saw blades, angle grinder blades, and a dressing stone, leaf blower, reversible plate compactor, mat for plate compactor, vacuum lifting equipment, high precision altimeter, mini trencher, wheelbarrow, powered wheelbarrow. And that's what I have available to me on each and every job site each and every day when I am installing hardscapes. I hope you found this list helpful. I hope that you found something that maybe you can purchase going forward. You can go to our Amazon store. The link is in our description. Anything that you found on this list should be able to be found there if you want to purchase it. Like this video, leave a comment below about tools that I left out, and subscribe to this channel for more hardscaping content. Thank you for watching.